Simple, everyone. There's always room for one more. Live here, you better learn them too.
But I don't want to live here. I just want
Pond
to...
rule number 1. Don't be a stranger. It's harder to be Sasha, Kat, Matt, Tombo.
Oh, hey there, George.
And hello to you, Steve. That's pond rule number 2. When you gotta eat, eat. No matter who you are, you look out for others. Uh-oh. Oh, buddy.
Why did everyone come here? I think your pond rules are inconsistent.
Okay, I know, but they gotta work for everyone. Animal homes, human homes, they're all just one big place.
Okay, please. I really need a moment with you. Can we just talk one-on-one?
I know what this is about. Ellen, could you give us a moment, please? Look, don't be embarrassed. I get this all the time. And not to mention, I'm way too old for you.
No.
You're not
Just
the
what I
first?
want.
Oh, that place? No one's ever moving back there. Ugh, there's just this noise. It sounds like a ring.
It is.
Ah, the loud place noise. It's a walk.
Oh, no. It's more of a.
Try getting a little closer.
Still nothing.
I know! It's bad, right?
No!
My teeth hurt.
Tell me where it's loudest! What? Jerry! Oh, no!
Wait, you'll hurt your little ears. Hearing loss is forever.
Ugh, it's the tree! The tree is loud! Ugh.
Mabel, I don't think beavers can climb.
This one can!
Really sorry.
Wait, is that why the animals left? I don't know.
Hey, we can deal with this later.
Stop!
I've got to get you back to the left. Good, please.
Jerry's not getting away with this!
Hey, the noise is gone. It's the most heroic thing I've ever seen a beaver do.
Is her brain gonna be okay?
The land is ours! So, what do we do now? Isn't there work to do? Ooh.
We're beavers, Mabel. Work is the party. Hey!
Happy to be home?
Yeah.
Hey, Mabel, let's go back to the Super Lodge. We got some
I
things...
only came here to bring these animals back.
Yeah, and they love you for it. Look how happy Loaf is. Come on. Mabel, don't do this, Mabel. Please. Hey, Mabel. Mabel! Wait, do you not know how to swim? Let your back legs do the work. In back, we're kicking. Up front, we're kicking back.
Oh, that is way better. Thanks.
Yeah. My dad thought I was unfit to succeed him as king, so he banished me.
Whoa.
I know. My dad tried to start a new family, and Uncle sought to usurp him. The Twig Wars began. Next thing you know... Yeah, it was a long time ago.
Two scenes in Hoppers really stood out to me. The first one is Mabel taking down the fake tree, and the second is the night conversation with George. Both of them hit in completely different ways, and I think they are the heart of this movie. So Mabel figures out that the reason all the animals left the glade is because Mayor Jerry secretly installed fake trees that emit a high-pitched sound only animals can hear. That is why they all ran away. He lied to the whole city saying the animals just left on their own when he literally drove them out. When Mabel finds one of these trees, she does not hesitate. She starts climbing it to destroy it, and everyone is looking at her like she is crazy because beavers do not climb trees. But this one does. She gets up there and takes the whole thing down. The noise stops. The animals realize they have been tricked and they start coming back. George looks at her and says that was the most heroic thing he has ever seen a beaver do. That moment, right? There is what turns Mabel into a leader. She went from being an outsider nobody trusted to the one who brought everyone home. Then later that night, after the celebration, George tries to get Mabel to go for a swim, and she cannot swim. A beaver that cannot swim. George does not judge her though. He just teaches her. Relax your paws. Let the back legs do the work. It is this calm, patient moment in the middle of a chaotic movie, and I loved it. But the real magic is the conversation that follows. George opens up about his dad exiling him because he did not think George was strong enough to be king. He talks about how his uncle tried to take the throne, and they had to call him back, and Mabel asked how his father could do that to him. George just says they had different visions. His dad always thought people were trying to take advantage of him. George tries to see the good in everyone, even humans. Even the guy who put the fake tree there. Mabel pushes back and says, "You cannot. Trust everyone." And George just looks at her and says, "I trust you." That line is so simple, but it carries so much weight because we know Mabel is not actually a beaver. She is a human and a robot. And George has no idea. He is trusting her with everything, and she is keeping this massive secret from him. How do you not feel something watching that?